Hello, Mario. In this video 59 in the Subdivision Design series, Earthworks 1, I'm going to take a little bit of a look at the earthworks and how we work out some earthworks volumes and some quantities and actually show what's happening with the earthworks. So let's get down to full screen and let's get down to business. So what I've just done here is I've just shown my boundaries there, and the first thing I'm going to do is just calculate out some volumes and what have you. So let's just go design volumes exact tin to tin. Okay, and we get that little thing up there. Now our original tin is the survey tin, and the new tin, or the tin of my final design surface, is actually called design surface. Now we can create a range file, and what this does is it shows a little different ranges of depths within the cut and fill. And so what we need is a range file, and there is one that comes with AutoCAD, and it's called road depths there, and I've just used that one just as it comes from AutoCAD. The plan view that we're going to paint is view 1, I think, and the model for faces is going to be the depth faces. Depth faces. So I've already done this before, so we're going to clean the faces before. The report file, I would going to go with design volume and create a report file. And if we just look at the depth file here, we can go there and we can just open it like so, and you can see that it gives a range of depths. Red is for what have you, and it's working on various ranges there, sort of small, large up there, so it's quite a good range there. So that's what the depth file does. Okay, and so I'm just going to leave all that how it is there and just go volume. The design volume already exists. Would you like to append? I'm going to just replace it like that, and yeah. Now yes, and what we do now is just turn on over here depth faces. So there's all our faces, and we can see here that the red is cut and the green is fill, and we can see various ranges within that. Okay, so I'm going to that in there like so. Now the other thing that we can do is we can create a table for our thing. So we just go drafting, text and tables, and down to tabulate the range file. So that can just come in here like this. Put this up here, and we would just want to go on depth here for our range file. With range file is that one there. The range units, meters, like so. Location of X, Y, and Z. So this is where we want to put the table. So I'm just going there like that, and we just select there and accept. Okay, that's the location. The heading for our range file is just depths. Okay, remembering that we're going to put this into AutoCAD, possibly. So the font, the text model, just oh, what did I call that? I had it. That's sort of the text model. Oh, this is for depth table, depth range, this is for the depth. I'll just put that in the depth table, I think. The text model for that. I don't know what was there. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, just set, fin, and yeah, process, and then we'll go here. The depth table should oops, that hasn't worked quite so well. Text model, depth table, select. Something hasn't quite gone here. Set, text styles okay. Depth, that's it there, meters, and it's going to go font, process, font. Or perhaps we just need to go here, put that there, accept, and process. Nope, not having too much luck here. Range file, tabulation, depth, okay, set, process. Let's come in here, depth range. So we've got our depth table file set in there. Okay, so we've got some problems in here. Text style seems to be okay. No, text size, I'll just make that a 1. Don't think that's going to set it, change anything. Finish. Process. Oh, here it is. Here's our table here. I don't quite know what I did exactly wrong there, but this is our table here, and obviously we can move that around. So that's our text table there. I'm not quite sure why that suddenly appeared like that, but we've got it all there, and yeah, it's in the depth table. It'll come and go. We can turn that on and off. Okay, now the other thing that we can do, I wanted to do as part of this process, is that we can actually do some what we call, or I call them isopacks, but they're depth contours. So we can go design or tins contour, depth contours, and again here we have the original tin, which is survey, and the new tin, which is the road tin, like that, and the model for the depth strings is one I call isopacks, and the color, so we're going to go with a red for the cut. The zero strings, I go with blue, some go with yellow, but yellow is a bit difficult to read, and the green for the other one, and then the range -10 to 10. The interval, I go 0.2, okay, and it's 2D, and we just calculate like that. And then of course we've got to turn on our isopacks here, isopacks, and there they are there. I don't know whether this is going to string model. I'm going to go string models to the front, and that'll be that one, and strings models, there we go, models to the front, depth table, depth range. So the isopacks I wanted to the front, yeah, like that, and doesn't seem to have. Oh, it has sort of got them in there. I wonder if I yeah, you can now see the contours within the shading there. There's a few blue ones out here, but yeah, that's just putting those in there. I might just go back on that one and just go tins contour, depth contours, and just go do that one again. Original survey, design surface. Oh no, Newton is the road, because that's the only place where the cut is. Model for the depth strings is the isopack layer here, and the cut strings, which are red, I'll just try them with a magenta, okay, which seems to be the epitome of red. The blue is probably fine. Oh, we've got to put that in there, blue, and then the green, well, cyan for the green. I'll just put maybe perhaps the cyan will go all right in the green, and yeah, then the start and that there, and the interval I'm going to go 0.2, yeah, and calculate, and yeah, that makes it all stand out just a little bit better. So that's quite a nice little plan there, showing our shading and our depths. And then what I'm hoping to do with that plan is to export that to AutoCAD and draw that up as my earthworks and show my total cut and total fill. Just and relate, and there we've got the report edit here. Finish, cancel. I thought we might be able to cancel. Report, edit. Have I got the volume? No, volumes. I don't know what these different road volumes reports are. I should be able to look at those reports at some point. But we can have a look at that. Oh, no, there's the design. So it was design. I'll just go back to this design volumes, exact, tin to tin, report file should be that design volume report. There it is there. So I'll just go design volume report, that one, and just go open. Okay, and I don't seem to be able to read that just at the moment. Right, design volumes, exact, tin to tin. So I'm just going to do my report file, which is design volume, just that one there. Original tin would be survey, and the new tin would be design surface volume, and the report exists, so we'll just replace it. And yeah, then we should be able to go up here and go report, edit. No, oh, design volume, of course, there it is there. Okay, but I don't seem to be. Oh, here it is, coming up here on my second screen. That's where I've missed it there. So yeah, gotta keep an eye out for these things. So here's our report, and that's just the report there. And then if I did it with depths, it gets a bit more than that. So we can try that. Here we go. Road depths here. Faces 1. This here's a model for the faces, which is depth faces. Oops, no, it's depth faces. Get it right. Depth faces. So that's all better there. And then we can go volume. Yeah, and then we can go replace. And here it is coming up with the report here. And then on here we get a more comprehensive report with all of the depths and the cut and fill at the various depths, which is can be quite helpful, and gives us totals and what have you. So yeah, that's all very well there. And then of course just go into here, and I'll just go minus, and we'll cut out the boundaries because we've already got those minus and the boundary existing there. Cut that all out. And what I'll do is I'll put a copy of the file, the range file, onto the Moodle site. Now what I'm going to do here is file IO, data output, DWG, like that there. We'll just output this view, which is view 3. Up there, view 3. Okay. Metric file name. I'll better make sure I know where I'm sending it. Excavation. Yeah. Okay, that looks all good. I'll send this to volumes or earthworks. Probably be better. So this will be the basis of our earthworks. Yep. Dimension. No, I'll just keep it at 2D. Keep that at 0 in there. Oops. Not 0. Map file. No, that's all good. I'll leave the colors in this one, I think. Use blocks, line types by layers, create string. Yeah, and we'll just write that to there. Finish. So that means that we now have a AutoCAD file, and we can in AutoCAD tidy this all up and create some earthworks files. So that's all well and good. So yeah, sorry, a few little anomalies there on that one. A little bit of toing and froing just to get some of the things to work, but that's pretty much the nature of things as I start to get out into new territory. There are some good videos along this with depth contours and that on the 12D model site and things like that, but this is just my take on it based on my little exercise that I'm doing here. So hopefully in the subsequent video I'm able to take this information and form it up into a nice sort of earthworks plan that'll form part of my plan set. So yep, cheers, see you.